Good morning and welcome to the workshop. In this video we're going to continue machining the Axleboxes. So let's go over to the workbench and see how far we've got so far. So here is where the majority of my work over the last couple of weeks has ended up. We have these blanks which are now all the same height, same width, same thickness, all within a couple of thou of each other, which I'm really pleased with. And this is the Axlebox we made before with the keep in place. So we need to cut this slot out of these. Here is where we find ourselves at the end of today. I've cut the slots in all of the Axleboxes and now we are ready to cut the other side. I moved the table thinking that I had the backlash accounted for in the direction I was moving it, and I didn't. So I need to re-edge find against the rear face of the parts and then start again. One thing of note, you might see a step. I don't know how easily that is to see. I had accidentally counted over an extra 25 thou. It should have been 276 thou width here, and it was actually 301. So when I was moving the table, I accidentally miscounted there, which I guess is quite handy because I overcounted, which meant that I could just go back and go against the face. Overall, this operation's gone fairly well. There's a fair bit of chatter on some of the bits. I don't know whether that's because the iron has cooled differently for different ones, or whether there's something going on with the mill. But that's where we got. So next time you see me, I'll be cutting the back slots. Okay, we got the Axleboxes done. There was a lot of wailing and gnashing of teeth in these ones. If anything could have gone wrong, it went wrong in this, and I actually gave up filming halfway through. I'm really not happy with the level of accuracy I was able to achieve. These aren't high precision parts, so I'm not going to remake them, but it's very demotivating to see them at such variance with each other, given the ostensibly the level of accuracy I was working with up to this point. I think that's primarily related to trying to slot and side mill the slots. So I'm going to try and work on that and get some better accuracy in future, and especially on these parts as we move forward, because we're now going to get to the point where it doesn't matter. The dimensions really do matter. So yeah, I think I'm going to take a break from the milling machine. I've done a load of milling. There is a pile of cast iron dust as high as your knee around the mill, and I think it's time to do something different. So stick around for the next video and I'll catch you then.